Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. Once again, welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning to my channel. And in today's video is some kind of challenging to me, and also my difficulty in this makeup thing. I just decided to share my flaws with you, and don't give up on what you are doing. Okay, just always trust the process. This particular video show me some pepper, and I don't know, I feel like giving up on this particular video that day, but I have a saying that when you start something, try not to quit unless you get that result that you're looking for before you can stop. So that is what happens here. So first of all, I started with my eye primer that is from Karite cosmetics. So I started to apply that primer on my lid, and later went into my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, and I started with this maroon color. Actually, I don't have any look in my mind that day. I was just going with the flow, and I started with this maroon color. I'm just packing it on my lid, going back and front, and steady me, I didn't blend. I was just packing on my lid, and I later went into a pink color. I don't know whether it's pink or whatever. I went into that color and blend in the edges of the maroon color just to have a smooth transition at the end. So I was just blending the edges of the maroon color, and I later went into the maroon color again, pack it on my lid. Guys, on this day, I don't know what I was doing. Things were just falling apart, and I decided to keep my hopes on, and that is what I did on that day. So after the maroon color, I want something deeper than that, so I went ahead with my brown shade, a darker brown shade on top of the maroon color, and making it that deep for me. And I later also went ahead to blend in the edges, and that is all. But I wanted to go extra with it, and yeah, I went on top with a purple shimmer on the lid. I use a purple shimmer on the lid as my base for my glitter. Okay, so after I placed that in on my lid, I try something here, and what I try is, I don't have a glitter glue that day, so I spray my setting spray on the brush, and I place the brush in my glitters and apply it on my lid. I hope you can get what I mean. Everything just went on smoothly, so you can see what I did here. I just used my setting spray as my glitter glue that day. Okay, so you can try it up and tell me what your result is. And guys, these glitters stay in place all day. Yes, so that is all about the eye look. And after that, I went ahead to draw my line, and of course it's a wing line. So this is the look I came out with, and it's not bad. I was just feeling it, you know. Yeah, so that is all for the look. So after my eyelining, I went ahead to do my skin prep, and I started with my face serum. And please, I'll be putting all the products in my description box so you can go and check them out. So I start with my serum and massage it well into my skin, and I later went into my moisturizer. I use my day by day cream as my moisturizer, and also massage it very well into my skin. And for today's primer, I went in with my Zykel oil free primer. I apply it on my T-zone areas, and I do not apply it under my eye, so I just massage it well into my skin. And also went into my foundation. Guys, this is where the frustration started. Yes, this is where I begin to frustrate myself. My foundation blending, it wasn't easy for me. I wasn't liking what I was getting, but I still trust the process. And to top it all, my concealer is also even the worst moment, the worst nightmare I ever met. Yes, everything was just excuse me, everything was just messing up with me, from the blending, from the shade and everything. So at a point I feel like giving up on the way, but I decided not to give up. Yeah, I feel like cleaning everything on my face, starting all over again. But I tell myself, Eunice, you can blend it. Yes, that is what keep me going. So I decided not to fast forward this particular part. I just wanted to see what happens here, and that is it. So this is one of my flops in makeup. This never happens to me before, but this particular one, that day, I don't know what was going on. I was just frustrated. So, and the blush also gave me different thing altogether. The blush was too much. And guys, I have to blend. And at the end, the victory was mine. So I just want to tell you that whatever that you're doing, keep doing it. Just trust the process. Don't give up, and you are going to get that good result that you are looking for. So never give up on what you are doing. Just trust what you are doing, and at the end you will get there. So that is all about this video. At a point I decided not to share this video with you, but I think maybe this particular video can help someone who is starting up with her makeups, and these issues will pop up. Just trust what you are doing, just know what you are doing, and at the end you are going to get there. So that is all. So after I finished with my blending, I went ahead with my setting powder from Sacha. I use it to set under my eye, my forehead, my chin, and everywhere. And this is where things begin to fall in place. This is where my hopes have come to life. This is where I started getting the courage to continue, and that is it. So always trust your process, never give up. After I finished setting everywhere, I went ahead to use my contour palette and use that contour shade to contour my forehead, my cheek, and my jawline, and that is it. I contour every place, and yeah. After contouring, I went in with my blush and I used orange shade as my blush, and it's too much, so I mix it with my exact shade of powder to blend it well, and it looked perfect. I apply it on my cheek, my forehead, and the top of my nose, and I love the outcome. It was given. Yeah. After the blush application, I went in with my Sacha powder and used the exact shade of my powder to blend everything together, and it was giving, and that is all. And after that, I went ahead to set my makeup with my Kiss Beauty setting spray, and later went into my Sacha powder to bake, to snatch that nose. Yeah. So after snatching my face with the setting powder, I went ahead with my Karite gel to line my lip, and later went into my nude lipstick from Nude and gloss it off. Then I take off my powder. So today's video, I just want to encourage someone to always trust the process. Never give up on what you are doing. Continue doing it and you will get there. Just tell yourself, I can never be defeated, and yeah, you are going to get there. So the look was just given, and I was just admiring myself. And after that, so I went ahead to set for the last time before I went in with my mascara from Kiss Beauty, and that is all for the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, comment down below what you think about this video, and I want to know in the comment section. Okay, so I'm out.
So guys, this is a finished look and I hope you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and be part of this family, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm feeling this look. Seriously, I'm feeling this look.
So much